Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enroll employees in benefits through Gusto. So once your employees are onboarded, the next step is offering them benefits because a great benefit package can go a long way in keeping your team happy and loyal. Now with Gusto, setting up and managing benefits is built right into your dashboard. So let's walk you through how to get your team enrolled. The first step is going to be to head to the benefits tab. So from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on the benefits tab that's in the left hand menu. And if it's your first time, Gusto will guide you through a setup flow where you can choose what kind of benefits you want to offer. Options typically include health insurance, 401k retirement plans, HSA and FSA, commuter benefits, and life and disability insurance. If you've already have benefits set up, then you'll see your current plans and enrolled employees all right here on the dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to add a new plan or connect an existing one. So you can either set up a brand new benefits plan with Gusto's licensed advisors, or you can link an existing one if you already work with a provider. Now, Gusto will take care of synchronizing the data and helping to manage contributions and eligibilities. For a new plan, Gusto is going to collect details such as coverage options, employer versus employee contributions, waiting periods for eligibility, and open enrollment windows. Now, for the third step, invite employees to enroll. So once the plan are in place, just click invite employees to enroll. Now, Gusto will send each eligible employee a personalized enrollment email where they can preview their options, compare costs, and make selections all through their Gusto portal. Now, they'll also see a breakdown of how much they pay versus what the company covers. The fourth step is to monitor enrollment status. Now you can track who completed enrollment and who still needs a nudge under the benefits overview section. Gusto shows each employee's enrollment status as well as their selected coverage and the effective start date. And you can also resend invites or make edits to contributions if needed. The fifth step is to handle ongoing changes. So if an employee has a qualifying life event like probably getting married or having a baby, they can request to update their benefits directly through Gusto. You just need to review and approve the change. And Gusto also takes care of things like open enrollment each year and syncing deductions with payrolls automatically. And that's it. Your employees are covered with your payroll deductions are synced, and you're staying compliant, all without piles of paperwork. Gusto makes offering benefits as easy as clicking a few buttons, and as always, that is extremely helpful. Next up, we're going to dive into how to run your very first payroll. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.